Hi, welcome to this video. So this video is going to teach this donkey how to find the polynomial derivatives by using the product rule. So what is the product rule and when do we use it? So most time we use the product rule when there are two polynomial functions in one function. Here is an example. When f(x) is equals to hx multiplied by gx. But how does it work? So basically, instead of expand these functions together, we are using the product rule, which is f(x) equals to hx times g prime x plus gx multiplied by h prime x. So g prime x, which is the derivative of gx, and hopefully you have learned how to solve polynomial derivatives. Therefore, you can use the product rule to solve this kind of function. So let's do a short and sweet example first. If now we have f(x) equals to x to the power of 3 plus 5x squared bracket multiplied by 3x to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 bracket. So if we have this kind of function in front of me, listen donkey, we're gonna follow the equation, and by solving the derivative of gx and hx, we can get the derivative for this whole function. So firstly, we're gonna write the first function down, plus square, and multiply by the derivative of the second function, which is going to be 3 times 4x to the power of 3 according to the rules, plus 2 times 3 to the x power of 2, and plus 2x. Then we're gonna plus the second equation. I'm just going to write it down very quickly. Times the derivative of the first function, which is going to be 3x to the power of 2 plus 5 to x. And we're just going to organize this equation. Okay, x to the power of 3, 5x squared multiplied by 3 times 4 is 12x to the power of 3 plus 6 plus 2x plus 3x 4 2x to the power of 3 x squared, 3x squared plus 10x. That's our final answer. If we want to expand it and reorganize it, that's okay. But if you left it at this, that's the derivative of this function. Simple, right? Instead of expanding everything that is in here, we just use the product rule and we get get final answer straightforward and simple, right? Okay, then we can do another question. Are you getting it, Donkey? So the second question will be 5x to the power of 7. Don't be scared, because 7, even though 7 is a big number, but it doesn't matter in solving the derivatives, plus 3x to the power 6 multiplied by 4x to the power of 3 plus 2x to the power of 2 plus 1. We use product rule equation to solve this. And we just write down the first function here. Multiply by the derivative of the second function, which is going to be 4 times 3x to the power of 2 plus 2 times 2 to the x power of 1, which is x. This time we need to notice that 1 is 0 because that's 1 equals to x to the power of 0, and according to rule we put the power down, multiply by the coefficient 0x. So that's equals to 0. That's equals to 0. Everything times 0 is 0. So we just write 1 as 0 as the derivative, and close bracket, and plus the second function. Multiply by the derivative of the first function, which is going to be 5 times 7x to the power of 6 plus 3 times 6x to the power of 5. And that's the final answer. Not yet. We still have to multiply the coefficient together. 5. Okay, just quickly write it down. So 12x or x plus 0, because which we don't have to write it down, plus 4x to the power of 3 to x. That's the final answer. And this is all about the product rule. It's not complicated. Even Donkey can learn that. Do you get it? He nodded. Means he get it. And done. Thank you for watching.